Welcome to At Home with Miss Jones.
Go, go, gumbo. Your objective today, find out what ingredients you need to make gumbo. Let's review some of our sight words. Put, put, put. We, we. The, or the. We know this word, go, 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 go. Let's begin. Go, go, gumbo. We put in the onion. It's all chopped up. What did the author say we put in? The onion. We put in the meat. It's chicken and beef. What did the author say we put in? Chicken and beef. We put in the tomato. It's red and juicy. We put in the fish. It's fresh as can be. We put in the spice. Stir it round and round. What did the author say we put in? So what ingredients did the author say that you need to make gumbo? Was it peppers or was it onions? Correct! Onions was your first ingredients. Now retell the other ingredients. Have a great day and don't forget to like and subscribe. Read, read, read.